Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great and in good health. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here, we're all about learning new skills, staying motivated, and growing in life. Whether you're looking to improve yourself personally or professionally, you're in the right place. So let's learn, grow, and achieve success together. Our today's class topic is why we need to seek the skills and how we can utilize it. So let's start without wasting our time. Seeking skills is crucial for both personal and professional growth. Skills help us adapt to changing environments, stay competitive, and improve our overall quality of life. Here are some key reasons why we should continuously seek new skills. Career growth. Acquiring new skills increases job opportunities, promotions, and salary potential. Problem solving. Learning new abilities enables us to tackle challenges effectively. Adaptability. The world is constantly evolving, and gaining new skills keeps us relevant. Self-improvement. Skills enhance confidence, creativity, and overall self-worth. Innovation. New skills can lead to innovative ideas, entrepreneurship, or improved efficiency. Once a skill is acquired, we can use it in various aspects of life. Here are some examples. Technical skills, e.g., coding, data analysis. Utilization. Build software applications, analyze business trends, automate tasks. Example. A data analyst learns Python to automate reports, saving hours of manual work. Communication skills, e.g., public speaking, writing. Utilization. Improve workplace presentations, negotiations, and marketing strategies. Example. A salesperson uses persuasion techniques to close high-value deals. Leadership skills, e.g., team management, decision making. Utilization. Lead teams, mentor employees, and make strategic decisions. Example. A manager applies leadership skills to motivate a team and boost productivity. Creative skills, e.g., graphic design, video editing. Utilization. Create content for social media, advertisement, or personal projects. Example. A freelancer uses graphic design skills to design social media posts for businesses. Financial skills, e.g., budgeting, investing. Utilization. Manage personal finances, start a business, or make informed investments. Example. An individual learns stock market basics and invests wisely to generate passive income. Don't forget to join us on WhatsApp. Community link is in the description. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.